Guys, this is the part 2. So we are now shifting, change plan. We are now going to the forest, the mountains, and look for some mushrooms. But I don't have any, so I can say, I don't have any bugs. So I'll try to innovate, or yeah, innovate something to for me to have a bug. Maybe if I can't find any, and if I find many what do you call this, mushroom, then I will just use my t-shirt. It's good thing because my t-shirt, I have t-shirt here. T-shirt is long. I'm using a long t-shirt, so it is good to use it. If only if I can find some. Only if I can find some of the what do you call that? Only if I can find some of the some or bugs or cellophane. I don't know, every day. This is the life of unemployed person and an educated person. Every day it's just that every day is a messy day. You can think, because most of the time, every day when I wake up, I always think on where to go, and I have many options. Whether to go to the forest and look for mushrooms, whether I go to the forest do just hiking, or I will just go to the forest train myself for trail running. Whether I go to the rice field, tilting the rice field, whether I go to the other part of the rice field where it was already planted with the rice, go and clean them, clean the sides of the rice terraces, something like that. I have many options. Whether I go to our garden, there are many options. That's why it is I don't know. This is a messy. I only have a right decision if I have work to do. I mean work, something like just in the past 2 days, Saturday, because today is Monday. Last Saturday, we went to Sitio Fanguraw and carried the what do you call this, sand of our best friend's older brother. So if I have work, then that's the only time I have a right decision, because I just said yes or no. And if I just said yes, then I must do it. And if I said no, then sometimes I regret it. So I hope I can upload this this video this night, because uh, I'm using the free Wi-Fi in our barangay hall, but uh, the electricity in our barangay hall is not connected to the post. That's why it was only being connected, it was only connected to one of the barangay Kagawad. And that's why it's, of course, the election is already, our midterm election here in the Philippines is already finished last May 12. So uh, the person who's paying the electricity for our barangay hall stopped or have a time limit uh, connecting the uh, electricity to the going to the barangay hall, because if we connect the electric wire, then we automatically the free Wi-Fi would be, we would be able to connect to the free Wi-Fi. But if they will pull out the wire, then of course we can connect. And just yesterday they disconnected the free Wi-Fi 8 p.m. It was very early, and early this morning I thought they would connect it again, but when I try to connect, then I can search the free Wi-Fi. So I hope they will, I hope, and maybe I know they will connect it again later on, because there's a ritual happening starting today. Some of our elders will go to the forest, also to the sacred forest. Then they will, don't know, offer something. I don't know what would they do, and for them to what do you call this, for the rain, in order for the rain to come, something like that. But that's the belief of our ancestors up until today, and that's the purpose of doing that ritual. But even though they are not doing that ritual, of course there's a weather. We believe in science also. As long as we believe on our creator, we believe in science, and of course on culture also. So it's a matter of balancing the three: cultural belief, something like that. Because cultural belief comparing to science is, I think, science would disagree most of the time of the rituals of the culture, something like that. But of course there's a I respect also, but an honest scientist would disagree in many things. I don't know. Don't know what I'm doing today. Do you know that while videoing this journey and talking, I just realized that why am I doing this? I just realized that maybe there's something more that I can do. Or yeah, is this really where I will spend my time in today's day? Something like that is going on in my head. And that happens to me all the time, most of the time. Don't know. Thinking about again, why did I just decide to come here to the forest? Don't know. But what did you notice? Why are you like that? Seems like there's wrong up there in front because they are curious. Don't know. Yeah, don't know. Seems like there's something there. I think there's a person there. I don't know. But as of today, I can't see anything else. But seeing this reaction, kind of reaction of the dog, it says something. I don't know. I don't know. Why they are being like this? See that? Seems like there's something there. I don't know. But it seems like there's something up there. So guys, I think we will change this dog. My dog is right. I will change my direction. Yeah, I will change my direction here. Up here. So this is uh, a mushroom, kind of one of a kind of a mushroom that is eatable or food good for viand. Of course, we will go for the other kind of mushroom. Guys, I'll update you later on when I have something to update, because I think when every time I end the video and start a video again, then I can't upload them on time, because even though I'm connected to the free Wi-Fi, if I'm connected, then it is very slow, still slow. So guys, I need to end this video and update you later on.